What's going on YouTube? It's your boy D. I'm with Quality Custom Designs, back with another banging video. And in today's video, we will be embroidering on a dad hat. It's going to be the vintage, as you can see right here, the vintage or distressed, however you want to call it. We will be doing a Von Dutch logo, and this is a personal hat. No, I'm not selling it. Yeah, so I will be doing Von Dutch on this hat, and I'm even going to be going ahead and go further and do the 3D puff. So I will do the Von Dutch and 3D puff. I digitized everything myself. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. I know it's been a long time, guys, but once again, we cannot stop nature. We cannot stop what's going on in our life. So it's been a process. So, yep. So just trying to manage the business side plus what's going on in the regular everyday life with family and friends. So stay tuned. I got more videos coming. And without further ado, let's jump into this video. So all I have to do now is go ahead and hoop everything. Hold on. So, stabilizer. The hat. Put that brim down to try to straighten everything up. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and throw my clamps on. So I'm going to do that off camera. So let's go ahead over to the machine, get everything set up, make sure our bobbin is great, and we'll get started with the video. Great, so now everything is hooked up. The time that it will take to embroider this is 17 minutes. Of course, you always have to note that when doing hats, the speed is decreased. And I think the max on, at least I know a couple of brother machines, is 600 stitches per minute, or SPM. So this is 600 stitches per minute. It will be 17 minutes stitch out. And like I said before, I will be doing 3D. So I do have my foam here, and I'm going to lay this down, and we are going to get started. So without further ado, let's get started. And if you're still here watching, go ahead and do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. so everything is done embroidering. I am going to take it off, show you guys the final result. And I'm going to go ahead and pull the foam off as well and show you guys a couple of the processes that I go through when doing 3D foam. And of course, most people go through the same thing as far as taking the foam out. And let's go ahead and take everything off and show you guys the final result. Okay, go ahead and pop this out. Take that off. There we go. And this is the final result. How does it look? Didn't take the foam off yet, but be ready to be amazed. Let's get it. All right, let me go ahead and rip what I can rip off. I know most of this I'm going to need some type of a pick, but for now, whatever I can get with my hand, I'm gonna do, and the rest I'm gonna do off camera. Just wanted to show you just a little bit of it. As you can see from the side, let me see, that small little raised effect or 3D. Now, let me go ahead and clean it up, and I'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned. So I am almost done with everything, but not before I go ahead and burn. I mean, you could cut them, but I usually burn the tips or the edges of all the pieces and the loose threads. Don't do this at home. And if you do, make sure you are of age, please. Alrighty. Just burning a little bit more of the tips. And that should be good. I'm gonna do the same for the front. I do have a heat gun. I'm gonna do that last and later. But just for now, just running this across real quick. Yep, fill it. And this is just to push in any of that excess foam that get left out. And this looks great. All right, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think about it. How did it come out? Looks good, looks great. Go ahead, leave it down in the comment section below how everything came out. Love the feedback. As always, once again, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Always stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. I'm out, guys. More videos coming soon. Hope you like this one. Peace out.